Well, before the academy, I had just had a total knee replacement, and they had told me that the first couple of weeks were going to be tough sleeping, which it was, and it was about the only way you could get any sleep was with pain pills or something, and I was afraid to take those things, so I didn't really, I kind of bucked on that and didn't do it, and it just kind of kept getting worse, and I thought in 2 to 4 weeks, I thought it would improve and I'd be able to go back. But, it actually kind of got worse, it felt like. And so, I'm trying to heal and do my things and not sleeping, uh, nervous, upset. I mean, it was really starting to work on me. And so I finally decided that I needed to do something. And I didn't know what that was. And so I got in and I called a couple of different sleep centers in Kansas City where I live. And, they obviously want to do something, but they want you to come in and go through the sleep thing and all this and everything. And I really had done that years ago. I didn't really want to go through that. And so I ran across the ad of the Sleep Academy and I called on that. And I was really impressed with the professionalism, and they had a system and everything. I felt was a little expensive, but I haven't learned a lot on people that don't know anything, and so I finally decided that I would go with that. And the structure and everything I think was kind of what I needed, and I needed somebody to. Uh, Everybody's different, and that's the thing that I've enjoyed working with the coaches, that they kind of listen to my problems and kind of tailor them, you know, the corrections that you need to do for you personally. So, well, I read a lot about it, and I tried all different kinds of medications. Everybody told me what they're taking, and I tried those, and actually those really didn't work for me. I kind of felt possessed. I mean, it was just really difficult for me. And then, like I said, I called a couple of the sleep centers that I didn't really get involved with, but I just felt like I was a number with them, and I didn't want to be that. And so that was mostly what I think I did. Well, I since I've been with working with the academy, I have I had a hard time staying in bed for one thing. I mean, I would go to sleep, and I'm pretty control freak, and I felt like I'd lay there. I'm not going to move until I go to sleep. I was trying to overpower it, and the sleep wouldn't listen. And uh, so I finally started kind of letting it happen and trying not to put as much pressure on it. I'd wake up, it's 3 o'clock, I've got 3 hours to get some sleep, and 4 o'clock I'd wake up, and so uh, through working with the coach and everything, they kind of said, you need to get away from that, quit doing that, stay in bed. And so those are the things that I have. I'm pretty proud about. I've accomplished that. I'm not totally perfect, but it's much better than it was. Well, I think this program is designed for anyone that's needing help in controlling their sleep. Sleep is really important, and actually more important than I ever thought. I jokingly used to say, if I get to bed late, I'll just sleep fast. And that didn't work. But I think if anybody is really concerned about learning how to improve themselves, that if it doesn't help you, it's not because of the system not being good. It's because you just don't buy in. Anything in life you have to buy in and believe in it, and that's what I felt like. I felt like the people there were uh, saying the same things, had all different kinds of programs to listen to, which I liked, and you can learn from each one of those. And so I think anybody can learn from it. Well, I feel, I'm retired and always been very active, and I've been able to get back to doing that. I walk every day. I play golf 4 times a week. I read a lot. I have cars. I clean my cars, do everything. So, I have energy. I feel good about things. Uh, it's there for a while. I was really concerned because I just I had no control over the sleep, and it's hard to do. But I feel much better about it. I have more confidence in myself, and I feel like that I'm probably healthier now than I was before. Well, I think if you're trying to figure out a way to correct your problems, that you need to uh, you need to get with someone that can listen to how you feel, listen to your problems, and offer suggestions on how to improve those things. And have they have a structured program. That's what I think. A structured program that's not just, well, why don't you try this, why don't you try that. I mean, but they listen to what your problem is and offer suggestions on anything. And that was really working with the coach. Really was the key to me. I think I didn't get in the group which was offered, but with the coach, I felt, we kind of bonded, and I felt like that she understood me, and we had kind of a common goal which we worked on to improve. And and I think that's what makes it work for anyone. Again, like I said, if it doesn't work for you, then you're not committed to it.